Good morning, friends. Today is Saturday, March 22. Time is about 10 o'clock. Going to work now. Nice, beautiful day. Yeah, we're gonna take a ride in this car today. This is not my car, so you must be wondering why I have it. So I will explain. Let's put our stuff here. All right. Well, this is a rental car. You must be wondering why I have a rental car. Well, first of all, I have not been active on YouTube last few weeks for two main reasons. The biggest reason is that, as I mentioned in the last video, my mom passed away on February 26 at the age of 88. She had a very good life. So I just could not bring myself to turning the camera on. And the second reason is that I have been busy in my office because it's a tax time. So then there's not much time left to do anything else. Yeah. So about the rental car. What happened is on March 7th, my son had a little fender bender. Somebody ran the stop sign and hit my son's car. Thank God everybody was okay. Nobody got hurt. But car was damaged a little bit. So since the other driver was at fault 100%, so his insurance company gave me this rental car while my car is in the repair shop. I think I will get it in 2 to 3 weeks. No, I am sorry. I will get the car, I think, next Tuesday. So another 3 days. So then I will return this car. Yeah, that's nice of insurance company to give me a rental car. Yeah, so that is the story. It is 52 degrees. I mean, my watch says 47. The car says 52. Either way, let's see what does phone say. All right, so what does phone say, man? Really? 48. So the phone says it's 48. Anyway, it feels so good, beautiful. Almost 3 more weeks to go till the tax season, April 15th. Have you filed your taxes yet? April 15th is the last day. I mean, you can file for extension if you are not ready. And also, if you anticipate getting a refund, then if you file late, there's no penalty. But if you owe IRS more than $1,000, then you should be filing on time or at least making some estimated payment so IRS does not charge you interest and penalty. This is Nissan Altima 2025. It has only like 4,000 miles on it. Nice. Nice car. I mean, it does not compare with the Toyota Highlander or Tesla, but still not bad at all. What? Oh man, just stay over there. Just stay over there. Yesterday, I ordered a small tabletop barbecue grill, small one burner. It uses small propane canisters. I guess you can use the bigger tank too. But I bought it for camping. I have first camping trip coming up towards the end of May. So we will try that. I might try it once before going to camping at home and see how it goes. Yeah. I am trying to line up my summer schedule as far as my outdoor activities are concerned. Camping. I have a train trip coming up going to Niagara Falls from Penn Station, New York to Niagara Falls, Canada. Yeah. Cybertruck. It is really a beautiful day. Yeah. But too bad, I will be in the office all day long. Man, that is an ugly truck. Yep. Well, I'm sorry if you own the truck and you like it. That's okay. But I don't think I like it. People who drive on the weekends, it's totally different the way they drive than the people who are regular drivers Monday to Friday. Totally different. During the weekdays, even sometimes there's more traffic, but there's flow in the traffic. During the weekend, we have a lot of new drivers, people who are traveling from other cities and towns. They are not familiar with roads. So that's why, they're looking at the GPS and everything. But it's all good. The good thing is I can see that there will be leaves on trees soon. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I can see the leaves are coming back a little bit. That's another beauty of nature. Yes, I know I have said it many times before. Let me say it one more time. I love New York. I do. Oh, I forgot to mention that the insurance company of the other driver is paying for the damages to my car. So that's good at least. I mean, there has been a little bit of inconvenience, when you are going in a routine and then all of a sudden your routine is disrupted. But it's okay. That's life. Things happen, man. Things happen. We have to adapt. When we are going through tough times, some sort of hardships or difficulties, we should always remember that it's not bad. There are people who are suffering more than us. So we should always thank God for that and pray that the ones who are suffering recover and get relief from the suffering, have peace, happiness. But we know the fact that life is always up and down. Happiness, sorrowness, good times, bad times. There are no bad times. It's just tough times. Yeah. But that's life. Traffic is not bad. I really like this road. This is Northern State Parkway, westbound. that turns into Grand Central Parkway once we enter Queens from Long Island, which we are about to do. I wish I can take you different ways when I go to work, but there are so many ways I can take to go to work. But I find this time to talk because I'm not doing anything else. I mean, I do listen to books, but sometimes when I get in the office, I get home, I don't have enough time to record. So this is one way to stay in touch with you guys. You know, yeah. Some repair work ahead on the right. This small park here is called Pigeon Paradise. And you know where I am now. My favorite traffic light. But there are not too many my friends here today. I don't know where they are. Nothing here. Not too many there. Maybe they're having breakfast down there. Let's see once we get there. I was hoping to see a lot of them. Weather is so nice. I don't know what happened, man. Well, let's see. Yeah, they're right there. Let me stop and show it to you. Yeah. There's a white one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I will be in touch. I will be more regular once tax season is over, April 15th. I just wanted to come on and say hello to you. Yep. Talk to you later. Bye.